The biggest pain point before EnrollHere was we had no idea what the stats were, and exporting it to Google Spreadsheets took hours of time. This you get in 30 seconds. You log on and you know exactly how every agent's doing.
From day one, the first time I logged in, everything was just perfect. My biggest pain point was compliance. We were using another system that I was still spending 4 hours of my day figuring out where their true compliance score was. So it saved me a ton of time.
To see the CPA was mind-blowing, but because before we were just guessing. Seeing the compliance score was insane because I actually get to work with Curt now versus him sitting there for 8 hours regrading calls.
It shows us who's wasting time at the office, who our top agents are. They love it. I mean, their numbers are going up, so they get paid more.
The agents loved EnrollHere from day one. Like the second they logged in, it just looks really clean, it looks finished, it's very polished. And before, their compliance score wasn't very accurate. It's about 20% off. With this, they know what areas they're struggling in, what disclosures they're missing. They can see it on their screen, and then from their screen going on available, not ready, all that stuff. It just looks really clean and simple.
With the other systems that we were trying out, they were over-promising, under-delivering. I was putting more work trying to fix those errors on my end. I would send emails out, hey, there's errors, and not getting any response. They're like, oh, we're looking into it. EnrollHere, they're fixing that day, that hour, they're on it. With the extra time, I'm able to have more time training my agents and grow the company and get better every day.